Lordships, this is the comedian's matter. And thanks to your Lordship's order last time, there's been a genuine effort to engage with the petition.
We are very happy to note it that they have also made very.
They have genuinely tried to engage, and they're coming up with ideas. The parties are discussing, and they're discussing ways and means how they can project the achievements of the petitioners. And this time, at least, there's been a genuine effort on part of the respondents, your Lordships.
No, we are quite sure once there are genuine efforts, the positive results are bound to be there. It will have very positive impact.
Lordships, may I just request that this matter was going nowhere till your Lordships actually took a very strong stand on the last occasions. So Lordships may let the matter, because Lordships, this has been very, this entire change has come after the last hearing, your Lordships. And
well, we can keep for some time if you want. We can.
Well, what your Lordships could possibly consider, because there are, I'm grateful to our my learned friend. If there are any further suggestions, we are already in correspondence. There can be ways. We are very receptive, and this is all work in progress.
They are very bright youngsters.
Yes.
They can push the situation either way. And if they have now started working on the positive direction,
yes,
we are quite sure that they will bring very good output. And
right. So given that it is work in progress, my lord, if there are any concerns, they can, my lord, directly approach us, and we are happy. And if there's any problem, your Lordships are available, but perhaps, my lord, your Lordship may consider whether
the main prayer was guidelines. And
yes,
so
that can.
We in any case, our red petition was on guidelines because of the incidents which happened. So Lordships, the petition would continue, your Lordships, but
my lord, as far as against 6 to 10 are
against the respondents, your Lordships, the specific instances that we have spoken about against the respondent, and that is which provoked these people to come to this honorable court to seek guidelines. So as far as this chapter is concerned, they are cooperating, and your Lordship, we can always come back to your Lordships, may give us that indulgence if they actually try to violate the court's order.
So, my lord, 6 to 10 can be, my lords, your Lordships may consider, but we are committed to continuing the process. There's no question of backing out.
In compliance to the order dated. Also previous order. Yeah. 14 orders number 6 to 10. Have filed their affidavits. Inter alia explaining that a chess tournament for specially able persons named Superheroes Cup was organized from 14th to 16th March 2026 in Pune. The tournament received widespread coverage in print and digital media, leading to awareness being spread about various disabilities, including SMA. The event also encouraged large donations for organizations working for such persons. That event was organized through Chess Base India, which also sponsored the food, lodging, and travel of the participants, including their family members, caretakers, etc. In fact, Grand Master P. Hari Krishnan was also invited to encourage persons to participate and also to spread awareness on various disabilities related to the issue. Next paragraph. Thereafter, 4 more shows were also scheduled and held, generating revenue earmarked for fundraising. But due to logistical issues, it is stated that specific arrangements could not be made for inviting and seating of specially abled persons. Next paragraph. Verse number 6 to 10. however, have expressed their willingness and they are that they are willing and eager to invite persons suffering from SMA as well as to provide financial support to the corpus generated. For this, seek assistance from the petitioner to be in touch with patients so as to assist them as well as invite them for the events. It is pointed out that till August 2026, a corpus of 12.55 lakh has been created from the proceeds of shows. Respondent number 6 to 10 have further expressed their willingness to donate the remaining, collected amount, a part of which has already been donated to the petitioner NGO. Next paragraph. The significant averment in the compliance affidavits which deserves appreciation is that respondents in their affidavit have explained that after 14th August 2026, that constructive conversation has taken place between them and the petitioner NGO for hosting a specialized program aimed at spreading awareness of SMA. They have discussed the structure and material for such programs for celebrating lives of an increasing dignity of SMA warriors. Apart from detailed information being given, sharing of ideas, the above named respondents have expressed gratefulness for taking guidance from the petitioner NGO to develop their program. They are also in the process of obtaining consent of the SMA warriors for participation and involvement in the proposed program. Next paragraph. The later events which are duly acknowledged by Legislative Council for the petitioner NGO actually are the true compliance of what this court has been observing in the past. We have no reason to doubt that the respondents number 6 to 10 will work hard in their endeavor to organize events for celebrating the lives and increasing dignity of SMA warriors and any other event program that may be suggested by the petitioner NGO will also be promptly organized. Respondents number 6 to 10 will continue to seek guidance from the petitioner for such like events. We have last time, we will take it as a donation from their side, that amount is lying deposited. Can we now request your NGO to accept it and to spend on some good cause?
In fact, my lord, the balance is with us. Some part, small part was, my lord, already
Lordships
sent to them.
Only 2.33.
2.33, but there's 10.22. We have the demand draft. It is, my lord.
Madam Aparajita, NGO doesn't need it.
Lordships.
We are only want them to be a channel to utilize this amount for some good. Because suppose we direct the amount to be sent to some here and there, we are not sure about it. But
No, I bow down to your lordship's wisdom. I can't. I bow down to what your lordships are saying.
We have full trust and faith in your NGO. the petitioner NGO. But if we send it to any other platform, it may or may not be utilized fully for that very purpose.
No, I bow down to what your lordships are saying.
So our demand draft is currently addressed, my lord, to the Registrar Supreme Court. If your lordships feel, deem it appropriate, we can, my lord, take this back and
Make it
No,
enable-
your lordships.
or they can.
Your lordships, in your lordship's order, your lordships had indicated because these among the debilitating disease, this is the most aggressive disease. So your lordships had directed the union to consider a corpus for these people because the kind of amount they need, it runs in crores and which nobody can really manage. It's only the government which can.
That will be the part of the direction, which comprehensive direction we propose.
Yes.
For
Your-
that, maybe that we will hear you for some time, and maybe that now having seen all these things, that you may also submit a revised proposal for
Lordship.
what kind of comprehensive direction.
I'm grateful, lordship.
And there we, as you recollect, and you rightly pointed out, that we had suggested
Yesterday we saw.
creation of a corpus,
Yesterday we
constitution of a
What's the date of this order?
27/11.
So lordships, your 27, 11, 24 order.
50,000 per month can be there, but in many
me, along with my brother and sister, we had an opportunity to interact with some of the specially abled persons. They were invited to Supreme Court, and we had a very long interaction with them. It was quite a learning and an eye-opener for us also. To be very honest, sometimes we feel that yes, we have a fair information, but that's not the truth. There is lot many things that we learn when we meet them, and the challenges which they face.
Lordships.
So we would like, we have already requested them to send their suggestions also. So today, that's why on that part we want to keep open. Besides that, you are in any case going to give us a lot of recommendations. We will wait for that also, the material to come, and then some comprehensive direction. we would like to-
Lordships, I'm grateful, your lordship. In fact, your lordship's order dated 27/11, in fact, specifically talks about a corpus being created because the union already has a corpus. But because this is the most aggressive form of debilitating disease,
but one of them was suffering from this very problem. It's highlighting the
That girl is successfully now
doctor,
very brilliant.
doctor and a painter,
And-
and she paints also.
so your lordships have already seen it firsthand. I don't need to really emphasize.
Yesterday only we were there for 1.5 hours with them. It was very satisfying experience there. We could interact one-to-one with them.
Lordships, may I also convey that how grateful this organization is, the mothers, that your lordships have taken this so personally and lordships are so actively monitoring the needs of that. They are really overwhelmed by your lordship's concern for the cause.
So I think that is one of the foremost duty of a constitutional court. And I think when an issue is brought to the notice, the court must immediately take notice and should be cognizant of the situation. So it's a quite satisfying experience that what we saw yesterday, what we interacted, and what you have been very ably pointing out. And we told them that these issues are before us, and let us see that to what extent we are able to extend our helping hand.
I'm sure your lordships would be able to do a lot and we'll happily assist your lordships in that.
For them, we can close the matter. You, Madam Madhvi, we allow you to take away that draft.
Right.
The 6 to 10 are permitted to take back the demand draft, which is prepared in the name of the registrar. And on our persuasion, the petitioner NGO has agreed to accept that amount for its utilization for one of the causes for which the NGO is committed. The post amount lying with the registry of this court is also ordered to be transferred to the petitioner NGO for that very noble cause.
Lordship.
For that very noble cause. Next paragraph. With these observations, the matter for respondent 6 to 10 is closed. Is closed for all intents and purposes.
Proceedings have to be quashed. The criminal
Quashed
process
करना है, FIR will have. For FIRs.
The criminal proceedings registered by the FIR number so and so against respondent 6 to 10 are hereby quashed. And all other related proceedings are hereby set aside. And for the matter for respondent 6 to 10 is consequently closed. So far as the lead case is concerned, list on so and so date for the purpose of issuing the comprehensive directions on the larger issues.
Lordship.
We keep on a non-miscellaneous day. We'll keep on a Wednesday.
Lordship.
And meanwhile, we will obtain that report also. Maybe that will pass on to you and then
I'm grateful, Your Lordship. We can make like a suggestion.
Grateful, man.
Much grateful.
Much obliged.